This is a small video on the operation of the spot 1. Turn the meter on by pushing the front trigger button. Looking through the meter, you now see the main screen. The 1 degree spot target is located in the center. On top, you see the real-time measured EV offset, which is also displayed as a ±5 EV bar graph. On the bottom, there is the aperture f number, the shutter time, the measured EV value, and the currently set ISO. The typical operation is like this. First, set a desired f number or shutter time with the direction buttons. While pointing at the subject, do a reference measurement using the trigger button. With this, the parameter that is not selected will be calculated. You can now pan across the scene to see if the shadows and highlights lie within the dynamic range of the film stock used. If the exposure parameters need to be changed, repeatedly pressing the function button cycles through the parameters. You can either adjust both values at a constant EV, or, for example, change the shutter time to adjust the exposure. To enter the menu, you long press the function button in the back. There you can cycle through the menu elements: ISO, placement, 3-point averaging or none, stop resolution in full, half or third stop increments, EV units or zone system units, have min-max markers manually set, automatically set, or off. Then there are a couple of options for customization, like showing or hiding screen elements. Let's go through some functions. For example, placement is a parameter to offset the starting reference point. Say you want to meter for the shadows and start at -2 EV, or in zone terms, zone 3. Now you can first meter for the shadows and then check if the main subject has a neutral exposure or is overexposed in a reasonable way. Let's also look at minimum and maximum markers. You can set them either manually or let them automatically update after a reference measurement. Here we first again do a measurement in the shadows and then check if the other areas in the frame also lie in the desired dynamic range. The minimum and maximum values are shown besides the EV offset. I hope this demo gives a good first impression on how the meter operates. Feel free to leave a comment if anything is unclear.